What's up guys, I'm in Maria Aurora Lipit. No, what is the place called again?
Diaat Maria Aurora.
Diaat Maria Aurora, and this is the beautiful water river that you can see around here. Sweet, and a lot of sands. It looks like as if you're on the beach. So let me show you how we got here. So we packed it in the car along with all the boys and the kids and the girls, and that's my sweet father-in-law started his car. Let's move on. I'm gonna show you around what all beautiful landscapes that we see while we are on the way. Some of the best pictures that I could get, all of that I'll be able to show it to you while we reach to that destination. The place is called Diaat. It's a small river, and there is a waterfall basically from the top. So as you can see the clouds, how beautiful it looks outside. Even the weather is pretty cool as well, so no need for the air conditioner. See the mountains? So we are going towards one of those mountains. Land, clean road, smooth road. Nice Filipino architecture. They built all of them by themselves. The houses, most of them they built by their own. Let me just switch the ride. I'll step out from the car and get on the bike ride. Okay. River, what is the name of the place?
Get more feel
Diaat.
of this place.
Barangay Diaat. Diaat. Barangay Diaat.
So let me show you the beautiful side of Maria Aurora, which many of you might have not seen. And it's pretty cool that within 30 minutes of this place you will find a lot of beautiful places. I'm going to show you in every clips. So if you wish to receive notification, if you wish to look around where I've been to while I'm in Philippines for holidays, do subscribe to my channel and hit like and comment if you want to know anything more about the places. So I really appreciate all the family members of my wife for showing me these beautiful places around here. During the rainy season, the river has very high flow, as Aldrin said. The clear blue sky, incredibly surreal cloud designs everywhere I look around. All I see is pictures from the paintings.
Yeah, even the weather is very good. Huh? Okay, so these are the cottages here.
I thought it was another.
Oh, what about me? In the middle of the nature. Arey, from there it's very easy. Elshan wants to go down in the water.
Finally we have arrived, and you can check it out how it looks. Beautiful, clean, blue water. Very clean. So much clean that you can even drink this water because it's a direct waterfall from the mountain. Coming up next is me and Aldrin on a bike ride, passing from many rivers and going to the best part where only bikes can go.
5 minutes. Ay, 5 kilometers from place.
Man, look at the water. Whoa! Wow, man.